How do you create a properly optimized YouTube channel? The first thing you want to do is ensure that you have a Google account. When you have logged into your Google account, you just want to go to a new tab and search YouTube. You can use any browser to do this. So once you've loaded YouTube, you're just going to open that YouTube on the first option in the search results. On this section, you'll see all the automated recommendations of videos, but we want to create a channel. So you'll go back at the top right hand side, and then if you don't have an image for your Google account, it will just show you first initial. So you want to click on that, and then you want to scroll down and go to settings. Once you've gone into settings, you'll have this section where you have your YouTube channel, and now you can click on create a channel. So once you've chosen that, it will automatically choose like your Gmail address or Gmail Google account name if you do not already have a YouTube channel. So you can change this. Let's just change this. Okay, let's just leave it as it is, and then we can just add a username. I can just add something like that. The handle is taken, so you'll try as many handles as you can until you get that. And let's try another digit. Good. Now if with this handle, it becomes easier to share your link, so you don't have to use that auto-generated ID at the end of it. Now once you've done this, you're just going to click on create channel, or you can add a picture if you have one. So you can either just choose an illustration or select a specific image for yourself. Now it is advisable to design your cover image of your YouTube profile picture using applications like Canva, where you're just going to search for YouTube. Let's look for that. So if I'm doing this, I just go to Canva. So if I search here YouTube profile, the profile picture, so I click on that, then I'll have like a specific I can pick something like this, the layout. I'll customize the template. Once this opens, you can add your own image there, your profile picture. You can change this title so that it's easier to find it in your files. I'm just going to remove this pastel influencer. Assume this was my photo. I just go to share, then I will download it as PNG. Once it is downloaded, I'll go back to my YouTube setup here. I'll go to from computer, and then I'm going to upload an image. The last downloaded image, it will be uploaded, and then I can just tap on done, preparing your profile image, and then now I can say create channel. So we wait for that to load, and then the channel will have been created. Now there are some other things that you need to think about. Now when you're choosing a channel name, if you're not going to use your own name, it is also advisable to choose titles that are really connected or related to whatever it is you're going to be doing on your channel. Now once you've done this, you can customize your channel. This is where you're going to add your description. You're going to add things like a banner image and all that. So just click on continue. In this channel customization, it has a bit of a change. Today you have profile and the home tab. So in the profile tab is where you set up the things like the banner image, the profile picture. You can change. Remember, we created this already. You can change your channel name, you can add a handle, and you can create a description. You can just say hello, welcome to my channel, and you say here we talk about comedy and fun. So you can draft a specific or customized description for your own channel over there. Then you have your channel link. If you have any links that you'd like to add here, like your social media links or a website link, you can just add links there. Then you scroll down and add something like an email address if somebody wants to contact you. So let people know how to contact you for business inquiries. And the last part here, you have the watermark. Now watermark is usually appears either all through the video or at defined positions. Now this allows people to easily subscribe. So if you hover over a watermark, you'll find it easy to just click and subscribe.